Oh, can you come hang out with us? You got to go in the water a lot. Can you hang out with us?
Yeah.
See what he does because he's often exploring. Look at him. Look at how careful he is when he goes down. He wants your help.
We're gonna go in the water, me and Ian.
No.
Too cold, you think?
Yeah. It's getting chilly.
He's gonna investigate.
Ian. Hey, Papas. Yay! He's smiling. You having fun at the beach, huh? Finally warmed up to the beach. Was just sitting on Mama's lap for a while and then finally decided to start playing 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, huh? Eee.
That was sweet, that little baby climbs up to his.
With Papa.
Okay, take one. Action shot.
Take an action shot.
You have to get down on your knees.
What do you want to do?
Get down on your knees and take that.
A picture?
Yeah.
It's on video still.
Yeah.
Here, I'm just taping you guys walking.
Hey, look at Mama. Look. Ian, look.
Hey, Ian. Are you having fun?
We're having a blast. Here.
Yay. Okay, go let him hang out and play for a bit.